Welcome back to Test and Quiz, the ultimate hub for tests and quizzes. Welcome to the Australian Citizenship Practice Test. This is Practice Test 3, focusing on government and the law in Australia. You'll have 20 questions to test your knowledge. Let's see how many you get right. Are you ready? Let's begin the test. Who elects the members of Parliament in Australia? A. The Governor-General. B. The Prime Minister. C. The Australian people through elections. The correct answer is the Australian people through elections. Which of the following is part of the executive branch in Australia? A. The High Court. B. The Prime Minister and Cabinet. C. The Speaker of the House. The correct answer is the Prime Minister and Cabinet. Who is responsible for managing government departments in Australia? A. Government ministers. B. Judges in the High Court. C. Members of the public. The correct answer is government ministers. Who is the leader of a territory government in Australia? A. Chief Minister. B. Governor. C. Senator. The correct answer is Chief Minister. Who appoints the Governor-General in Australia? A. The King of Australia, on the advice of the Prime Minister. B. The Australian Parliament. C. The citizens through a vote. The correct answer is the King of Australia, on the advice of the Prime Minister. What is the role of the Governor-General in Australia? A. Leads the Parliament. B. Makes all government decisions. C. Acts as the King's representative and performs ceremonial and constitutional duties. The correct answer is acts as the King's representative and performs ceremonial and constitutional duties. Does the King have a day-to-day role in the Australian government? A. No, the King does not have a day-to-day role in government. B. Yes, the King directly manages the government. C. Yes, the King makes all decisions on laws. The correct answer is no, the King does not have a day-to-day role in government. Who represents the King in each Australian state? A. The Prime Minister. B. The Governor. C. A State Senator. The correct answer is a governor. What type of government does Australia have? A. A presidential system. B. The dictatorship. C. A constitutional monarchy. The correct answer is a constitutional monarchy. What does it mean that Australia is a constitutional monarchy? A. The King has full control over the government. B. The King is the head of state but must act in accordance with the Constitution. C. The Prime Minister is the head of state. The correct answer is the King is the head of state but must act in accordance with the Constitution. Why is the King's power delegated to the Governor-General? A. Because the King does not live in Australia. B. Because the King has no official role in Australia. C. Because the Governor-General is elected by citizens. The correct answer is because the King does not live in Australia. What influences the Australian system of government? A. Only American traditions. B. Only British traditions. C. British and North American traditions adapted to be uniquely Australian. The correct answer is British and North American traditions adapted to be uniquely Australian. Who is the leader of the Australian government? A. The Governor-General. B. The Prime Minister. C. The King. The correct answer is the Prime Minister. Who approves the appointment of the Australian government, its ministers, federal judges, and other officials? A. The High Court of Australia. B. The Prime Minister. C. The Governor-General. The correct answer is the Governor-General. Which of the following is one of the Governor-General's responsibilities? A. Signing all bills passed by Parliament into law, royal assent. B. Making and debating new laws. C. Running the daily operations of the government. The correct answer is signing all bills passed by Parliament into law, royal assent. Which duty does the Governor-General perform in elections? A. Starting the process for a federal election. B. Counting votes in elections. C. Choosing the next Prime Minister. The correct answer is starting the process for a federal election. What role does the Governor-General have in the Australian Defence Force? A. Acts as the Commander-in-Chief. B. Leads military operations. C. Appoints the Chief of Defence. The correct answer is acts as the Commander-in-Chief. Approximately how many members of Parliament, MPs, are elected to the House of Representatives? A. Over 200. B. Over 150. C. Exactly 100. The correct answer is over 150. What is royal assent? A. The formal approval given by the Governor-General for a bill to become law. B. A vote in Parliament to pass a new law. C. A speech given by the Prime Minister. The correct answer is the formal approval given by the Governor-General for a bill to become law. Who is the head of state in Australia? A. The Prime Minister. B. The Governor-General. C. The King of Australia. The correct answer is the King of Australia. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And practice more tests from our playlists.